In today's video, I'll show you how to create custom fields in ActiveCampaign and use them to store additional information about your contacts. Custom fields are useful when you need to collect information that isn't included in ActiveCampaign's standard contact fields, such as company names, birthdays, preferences, or other customer details. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and open Contacts from the left-hand menu. Then select Fields. Here you'll find the Field Management area. You can organize your fields into groups to keep your contact records easier to manage. To create a group, choose the appropriate tab, such as Contacts, and click Add Group. Give the group a clear name, such as Personal Information or Purchase Details, and create it. Now let's create the custom field. Click Add Field in the top right corner. Enter a clear field name so you'll know exactly what information the field stores. Next, select the group where you want the field to appear. Then choose the appropriate field type. For example, you can use a text field for simple information, a text area for longer responses, a date field for birthdays or important dates, or a drop-down or checkbox field for predefined choices. Once you've configured the field, click Add to save it. You can also create custom fields from other areas of ActiveCampaign, such as a contact profile, the form builder, or while importing contacts from a CSV file. After creating a field, you can edit it by returning to Contacts, then Fields, and selecting the field you want to modify. You can also move fields between groups to keep your account organized. If you no longer need a field, you can delete it, but be careful, because deleting a custom field can permanently remove the data stored in that field. Once your custom fields are set up, you can use them in forms, contact records, automations, segments, and personalization throughout ActiveCampaign. And that's how you create custom fields in ActiveCampaign. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.